Hey everyone, and welcome to today's episode of the vlog. So today is another product review. So there is no cars as such. Well, there is a car. We're gonna go for a trip in the Fiat, but we're not doing any repair work on a car. If you are looking for that, then Monday we've got a little project that's come up that we are gonna get involved with while we're still looking for another car. Salvage, I tell you, at the moment it's tough world. Their cars are going for extremely high money. I was looking at a S2000 and it was in price. It was a 2009 and that went on salvage, a Cat S, for $9.5 grand. That's how crazy the prices are at the moment. Anyway, let's get back to today's program. So today we are reviewing this product. It's a dash cam and it's something that I've been looking for a little while. So when I had the opportunity to test this product, which is a Mola N3, I thought it was a great opportunity to show it on camera. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. We're going to be doing an unboxing and then installing it in the car and seeing what we think about it. And here is the device in question. So it's the Mola N3. It's made by a company called DDpai or DDpai. Not sure how you pronounce that, but it comes in a really nice smart box. Some of the features in this camera, it records in 1600 HD, which isn't really a standard. It's kind of HD and above, but not quite ultra HD. But for a car recording system, dash cam, it's pretty high res, and has a standard GPS positioning, so you can plot your journey. It also has a monitoring system, so if you park your car and you've got the camera in, it records for a set period of time, stops recording, but any bumps or vibration, it will start recording the activity going around to it. You can connect to it using a Wi-Fi connection in your phone, and it does continuous loop action. It also has this function called ADAS, which I'll take a look at shortly. Inside, this is the kit in its standard form, so you get the instructions, which comes with a nice little pad. The camera itself is pretty robust, nicely neat packaged, records sound as well. It also has a mounting plate, so in the instructions here you've got this pad which you will put onto your glass, and then you have this mounting pad. Now you can reverse this, so when this plugs in like this, you can also turn it around so it records inside the car. Now why you'd want to do that, I'm not sure, because the whole point of a dash cam is to record outside, but if you really wanted to, you have the ability to do that. Also comes with a cigarette lighter adapter, which you plug into your cigarette lighter, so you've got two here, so you don't lose the option if you have that in your car. And the standard plug-in option comes with a USB connector. Now the USB connects into this pod here, which then allows you to disconnect this camera and leave the wiring intact. The hard wiring kit, you obviously will wire into your battery, and that will give you a permanent feed. Now the reason why I'm reviewing this product is because one of the things that attracted this to me is that it has a supercapacitor in it rather than a battery. Now if you saw the charger that I had, the vehicle starter, that also had a supercapacitor in it. And the way these things work is that when you plug them in, they charge up really quickly in the car within a couple of minutes. No doubt, I reckon this will probably charge quite quickly. Then they slowly discharge their power. Now with this in the car, you probably will be using the car every day, so every time you plug it in, it's going to be charged, and that allows you to use it. So the supercharger, the great thing about it is that the supercapacitor, unlike a lithium battery, which a lot of these cameras come with, doesn't wear out. Or it does wear out, but not as quickly as, say, a lithium battery will. So you can recharge this numerous times and get a lot longer life, and actually it's a lot more efficient as well. So those are just some of the features that this has. Now we're going to install it into the car and just see how easy it is to install. Okay, so we're sitting in the S3, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to soft fit this because I want the ability to be able to take this out and put into different vehicles. Now, the S3 does have some USB sockets, but they're back here. and they really just plug into the MMI. You can charge from here, but I don't want to use them for this. So in this instance, I'm going to use the cigarette lighter socket that has no cigarette lighter in there. So I'll use the adapter, the USB adapter that comes with the kit, and that can sit in there very nicely. Next, what we'll do is we'll run this cable in here, and I'm going to do it temporary. Now this is, I think this is a standard USB-C port, or it might be, no, I don't think it is actually, so I will have to use this kit and take it out. So let's get this installed temporary, because we're only going to do a test in this instance, because we want to see how the camera performs. Now my particular one came with a 32 gig SD card, which plugs into the side there, very simply like so. And then after, you've got this little rubber cover which protects it from dust, etc. And then of course this then just plugs in to the slot up here and plugs in like that. And then there's when you turn the car on, you get this really unusual greeting, shall I say. I'll play it for you and you'll hear what I mean.
Hello, DDpai.
Yeah, there you go.
Memory card is initializing. Please do not shut down or remove the card.
And that's what happens when you first plug in the brand new card. So it's basically formatting the card so it can start to write on it. You can see a little blue light on the side there.
Initialization completed.
Excellent. So now we can use this with the app. So let's take a look at the app now. Okay, so installation of the app couldn't be easier. Type in DDpai and then click on the first app that you come to. Double click on the button if you're using an Apple device, and then allow the installation to take place. Once you do the installation, then you can go into the setup stage, which is pretty straightforward. Okay, so on screen now you can see that we have on the left we've got the view from the camera, so this is from the SD card, and on the right you've got the app that's recording the information live. So the app is pretty good for that, although you have to have it, you actually have to have the app in operation if you want to record your GPS settings, as you can see in the picture below. So on the right hand side down below you've got the map position, so it's showing your journey as to where an incident happened, should it happen. But you do need to have the app live at the time, and there is a process that you need to follow, which is not complicated but certainly fiddly, and you probably wouldn't want to do it all the time. It doesn't lend itself to doing it automatically. However, if you don't use the app, as you can see, it does show your the time, the date of the accident, and how fast you were going, which is normally what is needed if you have an accident and you want to prove that you are driving within the speed limit. That's more than enough for an insurance company to be able to prove whether you were innocent or not. Like on the left hand side, the image is very clear. It was quite a bright afternoon when I took that, and the you know, you can't there's no distinguished pixelation or bad image, so it's pretty good. Be good to see it at night, but we'll probably do that another time. So yeah, pretty good. So as a dash cam, it's pretty good, and some of the features in there are good as well. The fact that you can record it onto your phone is pretty good, and then they have an app. On the app, the portal, you can upload it. There is this SR mode simulation where you can add some special effects. I couldn't get that to work, unfortunately. And also I had a couple of issues with registering my account. So when I registered my account, by the time the verification came through, the token that you used to register the account had expired. So I'm not sure what was going on there. It might just be that I haven't tried again since. So that's just something to be aware of. But all in all, the fact that the super capacitor allows you to quickly charge and then you can leave it in the car and it will record any activity after is a great feature. And all in all, I like it as a dash cam. It's quite feature rich and will certainly keep the insurance companies happy. So I've got a discount code down below, you can see it down there, and also there's a link to the website where you can apply that discount code. It's on the AliExpress site, or you can go down to my Amazon store and you can get it there at a slightly more expensive price. So use the coupon code below for that discount, and that goes live today, so hopefully you'll benefit from that. So hope you've enjoyed this review, and we will see you later on during the week. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below, click the notification bell as well, and give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and it surely helps us. So we will see you on the next one later on this week, so enjoy the rest of your week.